Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an iMovie tutorial on how to make a intro and outro. iMovie is a really good software for beginners, and you can get it on an iPad or an iPhone, and that's what I used to use until I switched to DaVinci Resolve 15, which is also free, but has a little more features. Okay, let's get into it. So I have all my movies right here, and I'm going to tap the plus sign and do movie. Then I gotta pick all my stuff. Need to find it. Yeah, just a black screen right there. So I'm just gonna use that. I'll pull up all of this, the timeline, all the settings and stuff. And what you need to do is go to project settings. Then it says theme, and you can see all this kind of stuff that you can choose for your theme. And you could do news, which would make it okay intro, but I use the neon, and so click that. So I have my timeline right here, and I'm gonna duplicate it, and so that I have two of them right here. I'm going to tap the second clip and press title. Then we have all these titles we can use. I'm going to use the theme one. So then you can select everything. You can do opening, middle, closing. Those might look familiar. I'm going to use opening. I'm going to type in KB Creative Studios. There. Okay. And so that'll show up. And that might look familiar because that's basically what I use for my intro. But it's still not done yet because there's still the scenes before it. And that's a little transition. The theme transition, so it looks pretty cool like that. Now we're gonna shorten it a little bit and play it. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Okay, so now we need the clips that go before it. So I don't actually think I need that. No, I don't. The transition is just deleted though, so that's kind of oof. And I need to find my clips. Yeah, this one. It's a car crash. Pretty sure this is it. Yeah, a car crash. Which is pretty cool. That was done on Action Movie, I think. Which is really cool software for like effects and stuff. So I need to line it up just right to get the crash in the right spot I want. Shorten it. And we need a transition. Let's play that. Yeah, so that's part of it. Now we just need to add on the other clips. Yeah, there's this one from Awesome Assassin 2, actually. Yeah, that one. Those two are in it. So yeah, need to trim that, split it, trim it down. Oh, we need to trim it some more. There we go. So you just need to get it to play right. Ooh, change the transition right there. Trim that. So we need to line it up to where Parker gets hit right in the face with those Nerf bullets, which he did on first take, which was really cool. That was an awesome scene, in my opinion. Come on, we need to line it up. It just looked like he exploded as soon as he jumped. Need to switch these around so it makes more sense. That would probably go there, trim that. That looks really nice, except that, yeah, that's not lined up all the way. So we need to line it up just right. This takes a while to do, but once you get it right, it's pretty cool. So yeah, that looks about right. So also this one, we're dragging Chase, aka oof, what was his name? Stevie, that's right, Stevie the Fighter. Okay. Move these around so it makes a little more sense where it's at. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, I thought there was one more. Pretty sure there was one more. I think it was like the helicopter crashing. And this looks good. I don't necessarily remember if that was on there. Wait. Well, yeah, it was. That's right. Okay. Yeah, it was. Yeah, that one was also an action movie too. Change that. Looks about good. So yeah, it's not exactly the same as my intro I'm using right now, but it looks pretty good. So yeah. So now we're going to add what would be like the rest of the video. So let's just choose this clip of me looking depressed, and that will be the entire video basically. Let's pretend. So we have our intro, and then we have this part, which is our movie. So we have our intro. We have all that intro, then our film right there. It's basically the shortest video ever. Okay, now we need to find that black screen clip again. Right there. Okay. And that's going to be part of our outro. So this is basically the end of the video right here. So I'm going to make that, we're going to add in the title, and we're going to go to closing. We could use closing. And then basically type in, well, your channel name, but I would type in KB Creative Studios. And then, yeah, so that's basically the outro right there. So let's watch the entire thing. So we have the individual clips. So a little laggy, that's intro. Let's try it again. Yeah, that's the intro right there. And then we have our film, which is just me looking depressed. And then we go to the outro right here, which it all looks really cool. So if you like this video, I guess give it a like. If you want me to do more iMovie tutorials or just tutorials in general, I will definitely do that.